Knee replacement recovery used to be famous for aggressive therapy, forcing that bend and pushing through pain, and we don't do that anymore. I don't do that anymore. And the evidence says we're right not to do it. My plan is called the quiet knee, and the idea fits one sentence. Calm the knee down first, then build it back up. You'll notice that many people around the country are adopting this protocol because a swollen knee actually increases your pain and makes it more difficult to move around. And a quiet knee makes it easier to move around. You have less pain and less pain medicine. Your 4 jobs for the first few weeks. Number 1, control the swelling, ice, compression, elevation, toes above the knee. Number 2, keep the knee straight. Want your heel on a rolled towel, let it sag flat, and never put that pillow underneath because that leaves your knee bent. Strengthening or straightening is precious, and we really want to get it back. Number 3 is wake up the thigh muscle, general quad sets, and number 4, ease the pain of bending. And you do that by not forcing it. While you're doing this, you'll find that it's a lot easier to walk. Make a lap around the living room every hour, and that beats one long march for a long ways because that'll just increase your pain. Strengthening, that will come with time. Again, we're just trying to keep the knee quiet for the first 6 weeks. Trying to control your pain, make it easier.